Hello lovelies, welcome back to another YouTube video. As you can see from the title, we're going to be doing this Bond girl inspired makeup look. If you don't know already, the new Bond movie is coming out. I actually don't know if it's already out. It's coming out on the 3rd of April. So I've seen quite a few of the upcoming trailers that have been released and I'm so excited for the film. And I saw that they have a new Bond girl. She's unbelievably gorgeous. I'll insert a picture of her. Let's see if I can tell you what her name is. Armas. I don't know if that's how you pronounce her name, but she is gorgeous. And I saw that in the movie, in the trailer itself, which I'll link below for you if you want to have a look at it. She's wearing like this gorgeous, seductive, silky black dress. It obviously has like a low V, hence the low V. And she's got like this really stunning, natural, but gorgeous makeup look, which I thought I would kind of create today, or create an inspired version of that makeup look. So if you want to find out how I created this, then keep on watching. So the first thing I'm going to do is go in with my Vanity setting spray. So you normally don't prep your skin with this, you usually obviously set your face with this, but I actually like to apply it as like a prepping spray, like a primer. So I'm just going to spray my face. Oh, it smells so good. I'm just going to go in with my Tarte Shape Tape Concealer and I use the shade Medium. I will put all of the products in the description below. I've got something in my eye. I've got Echo down here and she's currently... She just keeps moving, so the camera just keeps knocking. Pain in the bum. So I'm just going to cover my acne scars, which I will do a full skincare update. I probably will do that in the next few days, just because you guys keep asking me about my skin, but I just want to cover my current acne scars, so I just use my Tarte Shape Tape to do that. So from the looks of things, her makeup is really quite natural and neutral. So I'm just going to do just a simple base and then do my eyebrows, because it's a seductive but natural seductive makeup look. It's beautiful. So I'll just do my eyebrows. And then we're going to go in with the Maybelline New York Total Temptation Brow Definer, and I've got the shade Medium Brown. So what I'm just going to do with this is just fill my brow in. I will zoom in a little bit. This. I just do little strokes and I just fill in where I see any gaps. So that's what they look like so far. So they're quite dark, but I find that hers are quite dark as well. But they're also really natural, which fortunately, because my eyebrows are naturally so dark and quite thick, that I can do this quite easily. And I'm just going to take a brush and just brush that out. And then I'm going to go over that with the NYX Professional Makeup Tinted Brown Mascara, and I have the shade Brunette. And this will just keep them in place. Not that this makeup will stay on very long, but there we are. I'm actually going to do my face now, so I'm going to go in with the Luminous Silk Foundation, Giorgio Armani, and I have the shade 6.25. I'm sorry if the camera wobbles. Echo's still at my feet, so she keeps knocking the camera. So from the looks of the picture, I think her makeup is actually, she's probably got a nice even layer of foundation on, but it looks really, really natural. I'm just going to take my NYX professional brush and I'm just going to pop that on the back of my hand and just cover my entire face. I haven't worn foundation in such a long time because I wear a lot of tinted moisturiser, so I never really wear foundation, but I do love the Giorgio Armani one. It's the one I wore at my wedding. Just want quite a lot of coverage. I just want it to cover my face completely so it doesn't show any blemishes or anything like that, and obviously the concealer does help with evening out my skin. Fortunately, she's actually quite olive skinned as well. I don't know what her ethnicity is, but she has got like a slight olive skin, which is beautiful, which I can kind of work. So I love the new Bond girl. I think she's unbelievably gorgeous. I'm very, very excited to watch the Bond film. Just gonna pop on some lip balm, and I use the Brazilian Kiss Sol de Janeiro lip butter. I don't know if you've ever tried this, but it's my go-to right now. It's like unbelievably large, but it just covers your lips so lovely. And then I'm going to do my eyes. So from what I can see, she's just got a simple eye, but she's got a little bit of like, she's got mascara on, maybe like a more beigey neutral shade, and maybe like a little bit of either black eyeliner or dark eyeshadow just kind of embedded near her eyelashes. So I'm gonna see what I can do. Let's try that. So I'm going back in with my Tarte Shape Tape and just covering my lid just to base that. And then I'm actually going to go in with my NARS, this is the Summer Lights palette. I'm actually going to just use this bronzy shade right here, just to base my eye, so it looks natural. So then what I'm going to do is take this dark shade right here, which I believe is called Hay. So that was Papatite, and this is Hay. I don't know if I'm pronouncing that right, but I will again, description box. So I'm going to take a little brush and I'm just going to put this close to my eyelashes. So just literally, almost like an eyeliner. So really, although it looks dark in the pan, it's actually really quite subtle. But this would just give my eyes just a little bit more depth. Like so, and then just add it just under my lower lashes a little bit, just to smoke that out a little bit. So I'm going to go in with the NARS Tinted Glow Booster, and I use the shade Medium Simos, which is this one. Just to highlight my face, I've just put 3 pumps on the back of my hand. I don't know if I'll need all of that, but we'll see. I'm just going to use this Real Techniques angle brush and just kind of put them on my cheekbones. Just adds a bit more dewiness to the skin, makes it look a bit more natural. I'm just going to kind of really blend that in. I might bring it down slightly as well on my cheek. actually goes on really nicely on top of the foundation. I'm going to go in with some blusher, so I'm going to use the Poppy Girl Nudestix blusher, which looks quite pink, but when you put it on, it actually is really quite subtle and rosy. And from the picture, I'll just keep referencing back, she's got quite a lovely rosy look on her face. Take my blush brush and I'm just going to dab it so I don't get too much on. So I put it where I want it. You don't want it too pinky, because her makeup's really natural, but pinky enough where it looks like you've got a bit of blusher on. Gives you a healthy look. I'm just going to pop it here as well. It actually looks from the picture that she's got a bit of contour down her nose. So I don't really own a contour palette. I'm actually going to take one of my eyeshadow palettes. I'm just going to go into my DECAY palette and just take the shade Rift and blend it with Good As Gone, which is this dark shade. I'm just going to slightly contour my nose, just like down the edges. The rest of her face looks really quite natural, but her nose looks like it's contoured at the end. I'm just going to blend that in, and I'm just going to take, I use this Expert face brush, and I'm just going to try and blend it out slightly so it's not so harsh. But just so I've got a bit of definition down my nose, which I never do. I never contour my nose. Probably because I'm probably not very good at it, but there we are. I'm just going to do my eyelashes. I'm just going to go in with my NARS Climax Mascara. Like so. I do love this mascara. This is so good. She has like a beauty spot like here, so I'm going to try and create that. Probably with let me see if I've got a brown. So I've got this waterproof eyeliner, and it's by Knick-Knack, which is like this brownie colour. And where does she have it? She has it about here. It's a bit big, isn't it? Like so. And then for lips, let's do lips. So I'm going to overline my lips because she's got quite voluptuous full lips. Especially her lower lips are a lot more, you know, out and pouty than mine. So I'm going to go in with the NYX Professional lip liner in Toulouse. Looks like this. I'm just going to kind of overline my lips slightly. See, I can't create her lips, but I can create an idea of what that looks like. And now I'm going to go in with my Bond Girl Charlotte Tilbury lipstick, and it's actually called Bond Girl, which is why I've created this makeup look. This is what it looks like. It's so pretty. It's just so pretty. I'm just going to go over the top of that with Legendary Queen, which is like a red, because hers looks a bit more reddy than this colour right here. So like so. Now to set my makeup. So I'm just going to go back in with my vanity spray. And then just fix my hair, so bear with me. So this is it. This is the final Bond girl inspired makeup look. I really like how it turned out. Obviously it's an inspired look. I don't look anything like Bond girls, so this is just how I've kind of thought how she would have done her makeup, or how her makeup's been created. I really like the classic elegance of it. I love the natural look that obviously has the red lip that really accentuates it, and obviously the natural eye that obviously has a tint of brown in, which really makes it like seductive. It's beautiful. And yeah, I mean, I don't know if my little beauty spots turned out alright, but there we go. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this tutorial. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe and share with all your friends, and I'll see you next time. Bye!